here is how I decorate a wedding cake with this super fun stencil. But first, I gotta tell you the story behind this stencil. So the bride gave me an inspiration picture with this specific stencil used on the cake. It was gorgeous, and she asked for the similar vibe. And so I found it, I ordered the stencil, and I was so excited. A week before the wedding, they notified me that my order will no longer be coming and they have canceled it. So I went to work hunting the internet, trying to find another one, couldn't, so I decided to scan the image, cut out each individual part, and create my own. This is me realizing it worked, which was amazing. So once I have created it, it's laminated. To use it on the cake, start with a very chilled cake. Then I'm using toothpicks to anchor the stencil so I don't have to worry about holding it still while I'm spreading on the frosting. Keep in mind, the thicker you go with the frosting, the thicker the stencil will appear, and the thinner you go, the thinner it will be. So once I have it all spread on there, I'm going to use my cake scraper to smooth it out just to make sure it's ready to go. And then I'm going to remove the toothpicks and remove the stencil slow and easy, and then happy dance. Yay, so excited. For the little bit in between, I repeated the same process, making sure it was chill. That's the story behind this stencil and also how I use it.